What is the real life of super affiliate on Clickbank? What is the life of someone who is making passive income with Clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting everyday products that you are buying that online, or your family or friends, or maybe your neighbors? I'm promoting private networks as well, VIP private offers on different networks around the world. Okay, as a super affiliate, yes, you can get advantage of that once you're making a lot of money for them, so they will give you extra commissions, upsells and stuff like that. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you what the life is like, because many years ago it was not like this. So I wake up around 9 a.m., sometimes 8:30 a.m. I would check my laptop, my ad campaign. So I will drive my car to the nearest coffee shop, would have my espresso or latte, and then I would go to my laptop and check my Google campaigns, my YouTube ads, sometimes my TikTok ad campaigns or Facebook ads, right? Depends where I'm running the ads, okay? But yes, that's what I do for 30 to 40 minutes. I check, I see, okay, is this campaign losing money? Is it making money, right? Because let's be honest, like if people are telling you they're always winning, they are mostly liars, okay? Scammers or something like that. I will tell you like it is. I have days when I'm losing money, sometimes I'm losing money, but then I know from experience that 3-4 days later I'm going to make it up for the lost money. So I would make, for example, I would lost $1,000 or $4,000 in 3 days, and then the reason why I lost money is because I was testing new campaigns, right? Or maybe the ad campaign was different, especially now during Donald Trump and all this election going out on in USA. I would pause my ads sometimes on Facebook for 2 or 3 days and go to the gym, right? Because I know, okay, if I start my ad campaign again the next day, I know I will profit, okay? So that's what I do, go to my laptop and start again the next day. Now, I love to do affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's all about understanding your audiences, you know? We are all human beings. Yes, it's true, it's about AI, ChatGPT, whatever. It's all crap. Seriously. Because in 2025, next year, it's all about relevancy, okay? Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, they all want the users to have what? Positive experience, okay? If the people are leaving negative comments on your Facebook ads, of course, Facebook hates that. They will block you, they will shut you down. And I know maybe you bought some courses on Clickbank from some millionaire guru on Clickbank and you lost money because your ad account shut down. And it's not your fault, because they are still doing the old style direct response affiliate marketing. It doesn't work that way in 2024, especially 2025. Okay, my friend, the main point from this video, if you get it, write it down, please. The aha moment is this. When you have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, when you have females and males, you have to understand, males, it's all about ego, okay? Let me give you free marketing tip. For males, it's all about ego, okay? Status in the game. For female, it's about safety and security, okay? So you cannot use the same language with females that you're using with males, with your Facebook ads, with your YouTube ads, with your video ads. It won't work. I know Clickbank gurus told you in the $3,000 courses that just put some ugly images up and hope it sticks. It doesn't work this way. Otherwise, you're gonna be making a lot of money now. Okay, if you already knew how to make money, you wouldn't be watching this video. Okay, but you don't. And the reason you don't know how to make money online is because you tried all this other stuff in the past. You tried courses, I don't know, you started Amazon, network marketing, direct sales, maybe you tried MLM, maybe you tried affiliate marketing, but with different course, different program, and it didn't work out. Okay, it happened to me many years ago. I didn't know what I was doing wrong until I said to myself, okay, I will follow someone real, someone who showed me the real life. I have a mentor who traveled all around the world. I see, yeah, that is the real person, not someone who sits behind a desk computer like a robot AI talking to you like this. No, I'm showing you how I also travel all around the world thanks to affiliate marketing, because I took it seriously, because I would stop making freaking excuses or procrastinating or being scared to put $5,000 into myself or $10,000 or $2,000 as an investment, right? It's all about having the right audience, giving them what they want, what they're asking for, what they really need, and being compliant in 2025, okay? Compliance means doing what networks want you to do. No black hat, only white hat marketing. Because I don't like stress. I don't know about you. If you love to burn accounts and buy new farm Facebook ad accounts, you can do you. I don't care, but I don't. Why? Because I hate that. I hate being stressful, waking up in the morning and worrying, oh my God, do I still have my Facebook ad account or Google ad account running? Because I did something fishy or scammy. Okay? I don't like BS like that. I like to have stress-free life with sustainable passive income. I'm not promising you're gonna make millions. Of course not. I'm saying to you, if you're happy with 10,000 to 30,000 US dollars per month, yes, you can do it as a newbie, spending 30 minutes to 1 hour per day of work, okay? But you need to have someone who's going to guide you step by step and help you along the way to have really great results. So as you watch this video right now, if you really want to have results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, if you want someone real, if you want a real person who's going to help you along the way, step by step, then let me know. You have my Instagram, my Facebook, my real WhatsApp phone number. Yes, I know many gurus on Clickbank will never give you their personal cell phone number. Okay, it's all about building friendships and building long-lasting relationships in this game. Because when you have friendships, when you have relationship with someone, one-on-one, hand holding you, then my friend, you can win. You can have really life-changing results in life. With any business, okay? With any business. So if you're really serious, if you really want to take it to the next level, you're gonna have more time to travel all around the world. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Bali, I've been to Australia, I've been to South Africa, I've been to Jordan, Europe, many different countries because of affiliate marketing. Okay, freedom, it's possible. But you have to have someone who's gonna help you and hand holding you along the way. So if you watch this video, if you wanna get results, connect with me one-on-one after watching, after subscribing to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips. Thank you.